Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your Gmail has room and you can sign in. Storage percentage matters. Once signed in, gather your photos into one folder or album so uploads stay organized. Next, open Gmail in your browser because the web interface gives the only reliable bulk method. Make sure your device stays on a stable Wi-Fi connection. Now that prerequisites are done, you're ready to attach the first set of images as messages and prepare for the batch transfer step. You compose a new message to your own Gmail address and add a clear subject so you can identify the backup later. Attach photos directly. If attachments exceed 25 MB, compress to a ZIP or split into smaller batches and send sequentially. Make sure to add a label or star the sent message to mark it as backup. Once done, send each batch and confirm delivery in the sent folder. This creates accessible cloud copies tied to your account without extra services. You verify backups by opening the received emails and downloading a few files to confirm they're intact. This proves the method worked. Make sure to use your label or search terms to retrieve them later, and consider keeping copies in both sent and inbox. If something goes wrong, check Gmail storage quota, review the spam folder, or resend using smaller batches or ZIPs. Finally, periodically repeat the process so your most important photos stay backed up in your Gmail account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.